Hello students, let's discuss the next portion of acid basis salt, that is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Commonly called as POP, and its chemical formula is calcium sulfate Hemi means half, hydrate means water. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. As the name suggests, plaster of Paris. There is any link of plaster of Paris with the Paris? Answer is yes. The first time it was actually prepared from gypsum. It was prepared from gypsum in Montmer in Paris. That is why the name is given plaster of Paris. Now, at that time, the cement or other substances were not available, so it was used for making in the industries. Now, many substitutes are available for making the houses and the industries. So now plaster of Paris is being utilized for other reasons, like decorating the roof. Now sculptures are also being prepared by plaster of Paris. It is utilized by orthopedician for treating the fractured bones. So many other usage. So how it was prepared? From gypsum to POP. What is gypsum? Calcium sulfate dihydrate is gypsum. Okay. When it is heated under 100 degrees Celsius, let me clear, under 100 degrees Celsius, or we can say 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. Then 1.5 molecule of water evaporates. 1.5 molecule of water evaporates to give calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So 1.5 molecule evaporate. This is POP. Remember, you have to very carefully heat gypsum for preparation of POP. Why so? Because if the excess of heat is being given, then what happens? Most of the water will evaporate and left behind will be calcium sulfate, right? If all the water evaporate, it will remain only calcium sulfate. That is called as a dead bird. So it has to be carefully heated under 100 degrees Celsius in the kiln. Special made kiln for preparing the POP is being utilized in the industries. That has to be taken. The same question come in other forms. Why the POP is being placed? It should be placed in the moisture-free containers. It should not be placed in the moistened condition. Why? Because what happens if it is placed in moistened condition? It will gain 1.5 molecule of water and again become gypsum. So POP to gypsum can also be prepared. So it is a reversible reaction. So a question can come. POP should be placed always in the moisture-free atmosphere because it again turns into gypsum. Remember this. So if the question comes where it is being utilized, already told you, it is utilized in making sculpture. It is utilized for decorating the roofs. Now it is also being utilized in treating the fractured bone by orthopedic surgeons. These are all utilization of POP. In the laboratory for making the airtight apparatus, POP is also being utilized. These are very simple kind of utilities of the POP. In the next video, we are going to discuss about caustic soda. I hope it makes you understand about POP. Thanks.